First ice, 2024. Got the sled packed up. Central Wisconsin. Gonna go see if we can catch some fish overnight. Got a sleeping bag, shanty, chair, snacks, water, rods, tip-ups, bait, fish finders. What more could you need? Mickey Fooler. Little Rosie. Split shot. Make some magic happen. Third and final flag set. Put a bell on the flag and the rod. Put a bell on the flag, the rod. Both will bounce if a fish takes it. Looks like it's off to the side, at least. A bit of ice. Oh yeah. Alright.
You probably didn't like that light.
Yeah, probably not. Crappie. Ew.
Small.
Yeah, that chest mount works pretty good. Looks good in there.
Looks like a fucking monster.
Live well going. It's a lively fella. Alright, this flag just popped right in front of me. Started running some line. It's a decently big shiner on here. So, let's see what we got. No. Drop. We got our bed set up for the night. We're in a zero gravity chair with a sleeping bag and a blanket. Got a tip up right here. Brought the electronics in. We got 2 more tip ups out there. Wish I could have a cot in here, but it's a small shack. It's insulated, but we got no heater. About to get maybe 4 hours of sleep and then hopefully catch some more fish in the morning. Slow night. Got a crappie and missed a flag or 2, and then Buddy got a crappie and a bass. They caught a couple walleye before I showed up. We'll see what the morning brings. Maybe we'll be lucky and get something overnight. Well, I didn't hear the flag pop, but just woke up. It's about 5:30 in the morning. The flag was up, and there's a crappie on the line. Nothing on that one. Let's see what's up with this one. Hopefully can get a fish to start the morning. Yeah, nothing on this one. 2 dragon drops. I'd imagine those would be crappies. Oh, something grabbed me. God damn it. Just lost the rod. Oh boy, that sucks. Got one shiner out. Oh, it's spinning. One shiner out and one minnow out. Shiner's in here on this. Putting up a good run. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Oh, see, he popped off. Oh no, it's right underneath us. Ran right at me. What do we got? It's running like a pike. Oh, some decent runs. Put this tip up in the shack so other people can't see what I'm catching because some guys just showed up. Yep, pike. Pike. Not a half bad pike. Whoa. Oh, they just ran out my whole spool again. Come on, buddy. Get out of there. Nice. Nice gator. See you later, buddy. Got whatever it is. I feel like it could be a... Oh boy. Drag stuck. Nice. Any line moving. Yeah, it looks like it might just be straight down. It's off to the side. Oh yeah. You got something. Oh, big bass. Big bass. Big bass. Oh yeah. Look at that big one. Wow. Look right in the corner. Look at those red lips. That's a nice bass. Nice. Got a little messed up jaw there. It's not like a bump. 17 and 3/4. It's a nice big bass. Nice. Alright, let's hit her. There we go. Another large one. Never targeted, but always welcome. Something big on the jig stick. I'm guessing by the way it's running. I don't have a lot of line on this.
Borrow your phone for it again?
Oh yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Anytime.
We gotta see.
For sure.
You are. I don't know.
Yeah, it's real low. I mean, it doesn't have much on it to begin with, but it's got me out there a ways. Yeah, chunky pike. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
27 and a half.
Thank you for letting us use your board.
Yeah, of course. There's fish. Garlic and cheddar venison stick from my deer last year. Delicious. First keeper gill. Get in there, buddy. Gonna be a bass, maybe. Walleye. I don't know if he'll go 15 or not, but we'll see. It's looking more. 15. Mouth closed. Oh, this is something nicer. Oh yeah, big crappie. Huh. Big enough to keep at least. Not too big, but big enough to hit the pan. Yep. There we go. Oh, nice gill. Nice eater gill. Little guy. No, he's not so little. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice gill. Not nice enough to keep, but a gill. He's coming for it. Yep, he's gonna do it. Maybe not. Oh, got him. Ooh, yeah. That's gonna be a good fish. Oh, he's all wrapped in juice. What the hell do we got? What the hell is this? Ooh, big crappie. Oh yeah. Big crappie. Nice. That's what we wanted. 12-inch crappie. He's a running. Oh yeah. Got him. What do we got? Largemouth. Buddy. There he goes. Is this too aggressive for bluegills? I'm gonna do it anyway. See what that'll do. Fish below right now. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. What the hell is this? That's a nice fish. That's a largemouth. Boy, I caught a lot of these today. Looks like a good fish. Eat it, eat it, eat it. There we go. Another bass. Jeez. That is a lot of bass today. They sure are loving this spoon. That was a weird strategy that worked. I was trying to get a small fish to shoo away from me, and I jerked it really hard, and he spooked and then came back and ate it right away. Anyone who tells you a banana is bad luck while fishing is lying. They're even better luck when they got those brown spots. One after another on this jig. I don't know why I ever took it off. Ooh, big crappie. Big crappie. Nice. That's what we like. Nice crappie. On the tip up. Ugh. Shiner just got picked up. Oh yeah, it's running with it. Might be a walleye. Kinda looked like a walleye. Kinda looked like a walleye. Oh, big bass. Oh, that's a big bass. Putting up a hell of a fight. That's a nice bass. You know, for some reason, all the bass I've caught today have had this split in their lip. I might have caught this bass already. I just might have caught this same one as my first bass of the day. This bass might be my first and last bass of the day. Let's measure. 17-incher. That's interesting. Just had another flag go off. We're gonna get him back in. There he goes. Yup. Walleye. 16 inches. Coming home with me. Gold of that other one though. Be a big walleye. Be a big walleye. It's running like a pike though. This reel's getting funky. What's going on with the reel? That's a big walleye. It's 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 a really big walleye. Tiny hole, big walleye. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's a huge walleye. It's fucking huge. It's fucking huge. Holy shit. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What a blib. 25 and a half. Actually, 26 if I fork the tail. Alright, I gotta get this thing in the live well and get the camera set up. This thing's so big. Holy cow. Holy cow. Wow, that's a big walleye. Look at how thick that fish is. Huge head, thick body, giant tail. Huge 26. Away she goes. Alright, let's see what the haul from today looks like with a few of the fish that we kept. Got 5 crappies, 3 gills, and 2 walleye. Not a bad day on the ice. Will make for a good fish fry. Got everything packed up in the car. And that is the end of our first ice trip of the year. First camping trip of the year. What a great time. Caught a lot of fish, including that 26-inch walleye, a couple eater walleye, many pike. Actually not many pike, maybe 3 or 4 pike, probably 10 or so bass. Countless crappies and bluegills. It's a great time. Exactly how you want your ice season to start. Couldn't ask for a better 24 hours fishing in Wisconsin. Thanks for watching.